Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need, I'm going to start off with 3 feet of string, but we may need to tie some along the way. This is the first time I'm making this, so I don't really know exactly the length of the string, but we're also going to need some scissors, and the needle's optional, and we're also going to need some pony beads. I'm going to use glow in the dark, but you can use whatever you have. Now to start this, I'm going to fold this in half. And we're going to start with putting on 1 pink bead. And let that go to the middle. Okay, and then now we're going to add 5 pink on each side. Okay, so we added 5 on this side of the string. Now we're going to add 5 on this side. Okay, we're going to pick up the ends and just let the beads fall, and we're going to hold those together and bring everything down to the middle. Okay, so you should have the first bead and then 5 pink on both sides of the string. Now what we're going to do is you're going to add, it really doesn't matter what side, but you're going to add 1 pink, and then you're going to add 1 pink on the string, and then you're going to take the other end and go across. So you're just crossing the strings in between just this 1 bead here. Now what we're going to do is grab the ends and put your finger in there and pull the bead all the way down. Okay, now we're going to work on the second color. Oops. We're going to add 1 orange. And we're going to cross the string over. Put your ends together, and you can pull that down. So that's what it looks like. We're going to add 5 orange on both sides of the string. So 5 on this side. And 5 on the other. Okay, we're going to take 1 orange bead. And we're going to take the other side of the string and cross through. Grab both ends. And now that we have it started, you can just pull these strings at the same time. Okay, the next color is going to be yellow. We'll add 1 yellow. And you're going to take this string and cross through. We're going to add 5 yellow on both sides. Adding one yellow. We're going to cross through. Next color is green. Cross through. Pull your ends. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do green, blue, and purple off camera. But that's what it looks like so far. I'll be back. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like when you have all the colors on. What you're going to do is take this side of the string, and we're going to find that center pink bead. Make sure there's 5 on each side. We're going to go through this one. And you're just pulling that. So your strings meet right there. Go ahead and tie it off. Okay, so we're going to build on top of this. I'm going to go ahead and add my needle to one of the strings. The other one we can cut off and tie it on if we run out of string, which I'm sure I will. So I'll just put that aside. And we're going to go through this pink. And I'm going to be using the clear glow-in-the-dark. So my pattern's 2 glow-in-the-dark, a pink, and 2 glow-in-the-dark. And we're going to take our needle and go this direction. Okay, now we're going to take our needle and go through the orange. Same thing. The only difference is the center bead will change depending on what color you're working on. So we're going to go up the orange and down the yellow. Take your needle through the yellow and down the green. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. Now what we need to do is take our string and go up through these 3 beads right here. And we're going to add 3 pink, 1 glow-in-the-dark, and then 3 orange. And we're going to go through the center orange. Okay, we were coming out of this pink, we added our beads on, and we went through this orange. Now we're going to repeat that. Add 3 orange, glow in the dark, 3 yellow, and we'll go through the middle yellow here. Three yellow, glow in the dark, and 3 green. We'll go through the middle green, and I am running out of string, so I'm going to go ahead and tie this piece that we cut off on. Okay, that's what it looks like so far. We're going to add 3 green, glow in the dark, and 3 blue. We'll go through the middle blue. Three blue, glow in the dark, and 3 purple. We'll go through the middle purple. We're going to add 3 purple, glow in the dark, and 3 pink. And we're going to go through this middle pink. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to go up. Because I just have this knot here, I need to go up a couple beads and then make another knot. But you can tie back there. You can tie wherever you want to. Okay, this is what it looks like. Something different to try. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.